Hello everybody, this is Austin 2001. I'm going to do a startup of the furnace Rheem. I think it is a 80% single stage unit. Just got this installed this year, so it's right here, and it shows you that is off on standby. And then also, this is the burner. So I'm going to turn this guy on right now. And it should be coming on any moment. Here we go. Use my Wi-Fi thermostat. I use the iPad. There it goes. Here's the inducer motor. And you can see that it's calling for heat. The H. And you should be seeing flames letting on. Most of it has the glowing, but this has a spark. The hot surface, I mean. Some furnaces has a hot surface, the one that has a spark. This one has a spark. You should be hearing that electric. There you go. So there's the flames rolling. So so it should be coming. You should be hearing a fan coming on any moment now. There's the fan. There's a click. So you got the blower is on. Furnace is the flames on. Now it's running. Have a look out here. If it's dark, if it's light enough. It did snow, so. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let me zoom in. There you go. It's blowing some smoke, steam out. You can even hear the inducer motor from there. Now I've been on the roof before, and now I can hear it real good. But yeah, I'm gonna get in because it's supposed to get down to 24 degrees tonight. This is how it sounds like right now. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to turn it off right now. I should be hearing the flames shut off, the gas valves shut off. Try it again. There we go. That should do it. There you go. You can still hear the inducer motor. One. blower should run it for a few minutes. So the inducer motor just shut off. Now it's calling for off. Now it's off. It's pretty loud. See, the blow is right here. And then there's a click. And that is it. So, hope you liked this video, and I will see you in the next video. Have a good day, and Merry Christmas.